Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Mind. Hope so you are in blessing of Allah. So students, as you know, we have started the chapter 12 that is related to geometry. So today we'll do chapter 12 NSM 1 construction of quadrilaters, exercise 12b and question 7. All the question of this chapter from 1 to 6 has been uploaded. Now today is the turn of question 7. But before starting the lecture, I request to all of you kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's move towards the today lecture. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In question 7 we have a statement: construct a trapezium WXYZ such that WZ is parallel to XY. So first of all, I want to tell you that the shape of the trapezium is there are two parallel lines but not of the same length. This is a kind shape of trapezium, so in which we have WZ is parallel to XY. WZ is parallel, so I can take this length XY and WZ is the parallel line. So these two faces are the parallels. Here we have the reading: WS is equal to 4.5 centimeter, XY is equal to 8 centimeter, WZ is equal to 6 centimeter, and here we have an angle of on 6, that is 60 degrees centigrade. Measure and write down the length of YZ. So we have to measure the length of this YZ and WY. WY is the diagonal. So these are the two things that we have to find out. So let's start the diagram. So first of all, we just draw the dummy picture, that how it looks like. As you know that we have parallel two lines, and what the two lines that are parallel, WZ and XY. So I take XY as the baseline, XY, and after draw the baseline, we have an angle on X. On X we have 60 degrees centigrade, so 60 degrees centigrade appropriately having this type of length. Now after showing this X angle, we have to draw the length of XY WZ. So here is the point of W. So take the length of XW. Here we have XW 4.5 centimeters. So definitely there should be a mark that is of W, and then after that we take the length of WZ. Then combine the points, and here it's a look of appropriately the look of our trapezium. Then we find out this diagonal as well as this length. So first of all, we draw a length of XY of length 8 centimeter. So draw a line of length 8 centimeter. Now label this length, that is X by, and the length is 8 centimeter. Now the second part is that we have to find out the angle, make an angle or draw an angle on X that is of 60 degrees centigrade. Now take this protractor or D, put this crossed point on the point X. Okay. After putting this D, mark the angle 60 degrees centigrade. Now I put the D or protractor on the left side of the paper, so I will start watching the angle or see the angle, mark the angle towards the right side. So here I just mark, look at this angle. Here this is 60 degrees centigrade, so mark this angle. Here just mark the angle that is 60 degrees centigrade. Now it is given in the question that XY is parallel to WZ. So here would be the points of WZ, but before mark the length of WC, we take the length of X and W. So here we have the length of XW, that is 4.5 centimeters. So we open our protractor, open the needle of our compass and take the reading of 4.5 centimeter. So here we open the needle of our compass, take the reading 4.5 centimeter. Now put your needle of your compass on point X and mark an arc on line W X. Here the point where the arc intersects this line is the point W. So mark out this point. Now you can see that in the dummy diagram it is the length WC. So now we take the length. Here we mention the point W, and now we take the length of WC. So WC is 6 centimeter. Now we mark the length of 6 centimeter. Now at point W we draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter. Now join the line, that is Y, and this is a point C. So now we join the Y and Z. Mentions the length. Here we have XY length, that is XY, that is 4.5 centimeter. WZ and the length of line segment WZ is 6 centimeter. Now we measure the length YC and WY. Here we have the length of YC, that is 4 centimeter. And now we measure the length of WY, that is required in your question. And this is 7 centimeter. So here we have the length diagonal. Draw this diagonal and join this point W and Y, and measure that is approximately 6.9 or 7 centimeter. So I write 7 centimeter. So that is all about feature question 7, in which we have drawn the trapezium and measure the lengths. The answer of YC is 4 centimeter, and the line segment WY, that is the diagonal of this diagram, having the length 7 centimeter. Now in the books you have here 3.9 centimeter and here 6.9 centimeter. So it's enough if we have 1 point difference. So there is no need to worry about that. It is a minute difference, so it can be happen. So it is all about your question 7. If there is any query, so you can put your query in the comment box.